Hello everyone! Today we will have the opportunity to witness one of the miracles of the agricultural industry in the United States, the harvesting of thousands of tons of crops using modern machinery. We will visit and explore the beautiful rural areas of this country and admire the incredible advancements in the process of crop production. Join us to experience the life of talented farmers and see how they bring high-quality products to the hands of consumers. First, we will visit a field in California to see how giant agricultural machines harvest hundreds of tons of tomatoes. In California, the heart of American agricultural industry, we will step into a world of massive and modern machinery, the unsung heroes of the farming, the impressive tomato harvesting machines. These machines are designed with precision and uniqueness to optimize the tomato harvesting process. The harvesting process begins by lifting the entire tomato plants from the ground. Once the tomato plants are lifted, the next task of the machines is to separate the stems and fruits automatically. Billions of separated tomatoes will be transported onto trucks, where the tomato stems will be processed to avoid waste and create additional benefits. Crushing and processing machines efficiently handle the stems in a quick and effective manner. Next, we will visit another field, also in California, to see how billions of almonds are harvested. During the harvest season, climbing and shaking machines are deployed in the field. They are designed with sturdy clamps, capable of gripping the almond trees. The climbing machine is specially designed to hold and secure the almond tree during shaking. After the almonds have fallen into the trees below, the machine continues the task of separating them from the tree and removing unwanted parts such as branches and leaves. According to data from USDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture, almond production in the United States in 2021 is estimated at about 699,000 tons. And California is responsible for more than 75% of this, with an output of about 500,000 tons. And this is what is happening during the rice harvest season in the fields of Louisiana. In Louisiana, the rice harvest usually takes place in October and November each year. During the rice harvest, the combine harvester performs the task of separating the grain from the rice stem. The machine is equipped with components and technology to effectively separate the rice grain from the husk. Other modern giant machines can also be used in the Louisiana rice harvest, include paddy dryers, baking machines, and conveying machines. Total rice production in the United States 2021 is about 169.2 million quintals, CWT. Louisiana is one of the major rice-producing states in the country, typically producing about 5 to 6 million CWT annually. The next journey we will discover is a large apple orchard in Florida. Here, hundreds of tons of apples are harvested using modern machines. Apple harvesters are usually equipped with propellers and brushes to remove apples from the tree. These machines are controlled by an operator, and they are capable of serving an apple or pushing an apple from a tree down a container or conveyor belt. Once harvested, the apples are transported by truck or container to apple juice and vinegar factories or retail stores. The process of harvesting apples with modern American machinery helps to increase productivity and save time compared to manual harvesting. Here's how thousands of tons of corn are harvested in the vast Iowa cornfields. In the process of harvesting corn in the state of Iowa, USA, modern machines have become important and useful tool to increase productivity and efficiency. The corn cutter and harvester is a versatile machine designed to cut and harvest both corn stalks and seeds. After cutting branches, the machine will proceed the process of separating corn kernels from branches. Once the corn kernels have been separated, modern machines often have treatment systems to remove impurities such as weeds or twigs from the kernels. After harvesting and processing, the corn kernels are collected in the machine's container. Modern machines are often capable of automatically collecting and transferring corn kernels to trucks or tractors for transport to processing or storage points. After the corn is harvested, it will be transported to the drying plant and stored for animal feed. Next, we will visit a grain field in California to see how thousands of tons of grain are harvested. According to the USDA National Bureau of Agricultural Statistics, the United States produced 671,000 tons of horse chestnuts in 2020, up to 19% from the previous year. As for the state of California, it's the largest U.S. grain producer, accounting for about 99% of the country's total output. The state produced 630,000 tons of grain in 2020. Grain harvesting has been carried out using modern machines, ensuring high efficiency and saving time and labor. These machines are controlled by electronic technology and equipped with sensors to determine the grain's maturity and ensure that the harvest is carried out accurately and efficiently. Once harvested, the grain is collected and transported to warehouses or factories to be stored and processed. The machines are also capable of loading grain directly onto trucks or conveyor systems for quick and convenient transportation. And finally, we take a look at the process of harvesting cranberries in Massachusetts. When the cranberries are ripe and are ready to be harvested, water is supplied to the cranberry fields. The field is designed with a system of culverts and dams to create a dense layer of water on the ground. Next, specialized machines are used to push the cranberries from the tree to the surface of the water. After the cranberries emerge from the water, the next step in the harvesting process may include using machinery to harvest the cranberries and push them out of the field. The fruit is then loaded onto trucks and transported to processing plants for processing and storage. Thank you for watching this video and join us on our exploration of how to harvest 1,000 tons of farm produce in the US. Hopefully this video will help you better understand the process of harvesting agricultural products and appreciate the value of agricultural products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest farming videos. See you in our next videos.